So, you've arrived in college. Well done. No more school, freedom, making new friends, doing what you want to do. You're on your way to that place in university and that dream job. But hang on a second. First, you've got to do the West test. Nah, it's boring. But you need to do this test, and you need to do it properly, especially if you want to go to university. Universities need to know that you have the basic skills to fulfill your potential. And what about getting that dream job? An employer is going to want people who can read and communicate effectively, and use math skills to solve problems like dividing tasks, dealing with budgets, or working with money. So what is the West test? Well, it's to test your maths and English skills. You could do the test in either the Welsh language or the English language. And if you don't take the West test seriously, it will affect your start position in solar. And we all want you to be in the pole position. Well, what is solar? Well, you will attend solar sessions every week to help improve your maths and English skills, ready for university or a job. No maths and English, no dream job, no place in uni. So, do yourself a favour, take the West test seriously, get on, get qualified.